Welcome back to our breakfast series part 9. Today, we're whipping up a delicious and nutritious chia-infused orange carrot delight that's perfect for a quick morning boost. Let's dive in. Ingredients: a handful of fresh oranges, a handful of baby carrots, 2 tablespoons of overnight chia seeds, 1 cup of coconut milk, unsweetened. For extra crunch, have your orange and baby carrots. Optional, sprinkle of cinnamon or honey for sweetness. Blend the base. Start by peeling and segmenting the oranges. Toss them into your blender. Add the handful of baby carrots. Blend until smooth. Feel free to add a bit of coconut milk if it's too thick. In a bowl, mix the blended orange and carrot mixture with the overnight chia seeds and coconut milk. Stir well to combine. When you're ready to enjoy your breakfast, give the mixture a good stir. Top it off with a dollop of yogurt for that extra creaminess. Optionally, add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a drizzle of honey for added flavor. Enjoy your chia-infused orange carrot delight is ready. This breakfast is not only quick to prepare, but packed with vitamins and nutrients to kickstart your day. If you love this quick recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious breakfast ideas.